Yes, you can change the default app for gallery from View Photos to Google Photos. Also, you can do it for browser from Mi browser to Chrome. Hi guys and welcome on my YouTube channel. I'm Dan, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the default app on Xiaomi Redmi phones. Here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G, is the same also for the Pro version and the other Redmi phones. And if you want to change the default app, for example for gallery or for music, I don't know, you can do it on this phone. For that you need to go to settings, and here swipe and tap on apps, and here just tap on these three dots and tap on other settings, and here we have default apps. And from here, very easy, you can change the default app. For example, for browser, you can change it from Mi browser to Chrome. Also for gallery, you can change from Redmi View Photos to Google Photos. And you can do it also for music. From YouTube, you can choose Spotify. So it is very easy. Also you have another apps here, and you can change the default app. I hope this video to be useful for you. If you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.